Becoming a 3D VTuber for free has never been easier, and the wonderful program that allows me to do so just got a new update. So I thought I would share my findings, but before we get into that, I wonder if you've already seen my original video talking about this program and its sort of introduction of what it is, how I found it, what I could compare it to. For instance, like a Vroid. It's very simple, easy to use avatar creator. So if you're interested in getting to know the nitty gritty about the app, you should probably go take a look at my other video first, but come back to this one, promise. This video is really me going over some awesome things that I've now found within the app after using it for some time. Also a fix for possible problem that people might be encountering when using the program that I've discovered how to fix myself. Before I start, I just want to say how crazy it is. The amount of different options that you can have in this virtual avatar creator and how you can make almost any character, also how well the program works. I mean, if it isn't already impressive enough that it's free and the face tracking, it looks spectacular. It's also the fact there's so many different options when creating the avatars. It seems that's their top priority. Like when they update this app and they just add more options, that's insane because there's already so much and they're just adding more. So I guess all I can say is please support these people and any further production of the program. Maybe like download and try it yourself, because I honestly have no idea, aside from following their social media, their Twitter, joining the Discord. Like I don't really know how to support these people, but if anyone does figure that out, please share how to do so, because I think these people should be further supported when creating such an easy to use and free tool for people to become virtual creators. It's such a wonderful gift to the community. The quality that these 3D avatars have is so nutty, and I feel like people who are starting their VTubing journey might not really know what they want, if they're on the fence about live 2D or 3D or just simply character design, like what they want their character to look like. Something like this program can not only save them time, money, but a lot of headaches, you know? Like when creating a VTuber design, the hardest thing is deciding on what you want the character to look like. And if you have that designed in Live 2D, or you have an artist draw an illustration, right? Like, yeah, someone has to draw that up, and then you're just kind of stuck looking like that. Like you're just stuck with whatever the artist does. But we have this wonderful program here called Mascots. And a lot of those problems that you would encounter being stuck with a live 2D model that you can't really change, that's going to be a thing of the past. So let's get into the new update that Mousecause has rolled out. For one, it has almost ruined me and my awesome color scheme with my hair. I don't know if you noticed, my hair is different. However, you know, a quick fix from the team right after they updated, allowing a post-processing option to be turned off. It allows me to not have this random red hue light glare. It didn't look very nice on my avatar, but I could totally understand why someone might be interested in leaving that on, and how it like makes their character look. It might make them look better, you know. I don't know, just didn't look good on my character with the way that my colors are. So I had to tamper with different colors. It was really easy fix for my eyes, and I just like changed my outfit a little bit and stuff. But yeah, my hair is borked. It's not bad, like obviously it's not horrible. I just really did like the way that it looked before. I've spent, I want to say 6 or 7 hours attempting to make it look identical to what it looked like before. I can't do that. I don't know why. I can't make it go back. But like, it looks good. It looks fine. It's really not that big of a deal. I can't complain because this is a free program in beta, and it's already doing so much that a lot of people pay money for. I could see common issues happening like this in any program, honestly. So I'm just not gonna complain. Like, it is what it is, you know? Basically, they said in their Discord they added a new shader to the program, and that's just made the colors act differently with each other when you're messing, like attempting to find the perfect hue without too much saturation and brightness. I can only hope that they add further options to give separate colors, like my split hair colors, their own separate brightness and saturation instead of the base brightness and saturation being shared on like my one base color. I think that could fix my hair back to the original color with the new shaders that they've added, but like, it's really not a big deal. What I've noticed is they've added this new model starting option called Bestia, something like that. Initially, when I saw this, I thought, I was going to be able to put the tail and ears on my own character, the one that I've already created. But this is like a completely different avatar. It seems this one, it only has really few options. But I have no doubt in my mind they're going to expand on these options and probably add so much more. Right now, they just have a few different styles, and it's, really cool. Again, it's being for free. You can sort of customize, maybe mix and match, create a sort of character that is these super cute animal-like features. So, yeah, I'm just looking forward to them adding more and more features that possibly I will then be able to convince my fellow 2D VTubing friends to present themselves in 3D. And use mascots themselves. But last but not least, I really wanted to go over something I had quite a few people ask in my last video that I made talking about the program. Some people asked, like, what happened. They downloaded it and they were stuck on a screen. There was no login, nothing like that. The program seemed like it wasn't properly starting up. I now basically have had that happen to me a few times. I can't say I've actually found a fix for it. When the program gets stuck on the beginning screen, I just close it and open it again. And if it does again, I just close it and open it again. And that's only happened to me like once, where I had to like close it twice and open it again, and then it let me log in. But yeah. So what's wonderful about like the login, and I know that like maybe that's causing that issue, but what is wonderful about it, the login allows you to use your mascot model on any computer. I have 2 PCs, so I'm able to log in to mascots and access my model on either computer, and like I can make changes on one computer, log out, and then log back in on another computer, and my model is different. Like the model files are like saved between the account login. Yeah, so that's really cool, and that makes me believe in the future, once they have things ironed out, they'll probably make this into an app that could probably be used on cell phones, the same way like VTube Studio and stuff. But like VTube Studio, you gotta load your own model into the files, and this, if it's saving with the login, I just feel like it might end up being easier. Like, that's why I'm super excited. I'm just super excited for the future of this app. Right now it's only on PC, unfortunately, but I know, it just, those features make me feel like it's possibly going to be, different places. So looking forward to that. And I just want to shout out mascots. You should join their Discord if you have any issues whatsoever, because they do have an English and a Korean section to speak to people. They were very helpful with my issue. I spoke to them within 12 hours. They responded, and then less than 12 hours after that, their update, then they pushed another update being able to turn off the post-processing so the red hue wasn't as bad. So I could kind of like make my character return back to normal. They literally did that. They did the update and then like posted the other update like 12 hours later. Quick work. I honestly didn't expect this out of a program developer that doesn't even seem to speak my language. You know, they're creating the program for like Soup Live or Africa TV users. I don't even know if they know that Twitch VTubers would love to hear more about this program. That's why I'm talking about it. I know a lot of VTuber culture is kind of surrounded in like Japanese and English audiences that are on Twitch and YouTube at the moment, I think. But, you know, this app being made by people who speak Korean, and like the reason I found it was because I saw the advertisement, people trying to spread the word about a new streaming platform called Soup Live. At the bottom left of the website was the virtual creator image. I clicked on it, and that's how I found out about Mask-Cause. But, you know, I don't know if many other people have obviously heard about it, right? So I hope I am doing a decent job at trying to spread the word out here to English users, my fellow broke tubers, like myself, who have huge hopes and dreams to be a full-blown VTuber. But without any sort of funding, you know, the reality can be very dim until awesome tools like Mask-Cause show up and save us. And also, like, maybe Korean people interested in VTubing will find Mask-Cause as a way to get more interested in virtual content creation. So that's really cool. Thank you, Mask-Cause, for, you know, just all of this stuff. And if you guys have further questions, please be sure to check out that Discord. You could try asking in my YouTube comments, and I mean, I'll let you know anything that I might know about, but I'm no expert. I've only been using it for the past few weeks. I just have to say that my experience has been lovely, and this new update's really cool. I'm just looking forward to more updates, hopefully not too far in the future for this program. Cheers! I hope to get back to streaming soon, but until then, I'm just making videos. So like and subscribe and help your girl out until my ISP gets fixed. I appreciate it. Until then, cheers.